Yo, I go by the name of Bako, and you're probably wondering who are you and where on earth is this? Well, like I said, I am Bako, and welcome to my travel vlog YouTube channel. This is Costa Brava.
We're always on the edge.
Mr. Lee, try some of that, bro. It's sick. Trust me, bro.
Told you what I did last night. I recall the times you said you're sorry. Still, I'm not sure if you told lies, but I don't care. It's all forgotten now.
Do what I'm doing, honestly. Every month or every other month-ish, I travel and go to these places, man. It's amazing, man.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black lights. With the black see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. No. Fight about, we're holy when we touch anyhow.
Wait, come back. It's not done yet. Now I'm going to try something different here, so bear with me. Before you watch the next couple of Spain vlogs I'm about to upload in the next couple of days, meet the guys I travelled with. Believe me, you'll get a better understanding of exactly the kind of people they are. I made that sound like they're evil or something. Yeah, here goes. First up on the list, Mr. Behzad Khan. He's good at badminton and giving advice. He also claims to be better than me at FIFA, but that's just a myth. Madness. Next up on the list, Pishwan Salim, my Kurdish brother from another mother. He dances more than me, believe it or not, and he's actually pretty decent at it. Shoot! The guy with the nice beard is Hamad Mulli. Unfortunately, his sense of direction isn't the best, and some people call him Zorro from One Piece. As for his catching skills, well, just see for yourself. Mr. Hani, how do you feel about the Meg that you got before? Next up is Hani Fayyad, an Egyptian fella. I megged him so many times on holiday that he's constantly in denial. They just never learn.
I'm gonna ignore that.
You're gonna ignore Mr. Behzad, Pishwan and Kiza, how do you feel about the Meg that you guys got before?
My leg is aching. You didn't meg me.
It's Photoshop. It's Photoshop.
This leaves us with a lost person. That's Kiza Mahmood. Best believe it when I say that he's good at 3 things. Squash, drinking Coca-Cola, and snoring. And hello guys! Right, that's a very new kind. And that leaves us with yours truly, the life of Bako, Baktash Noori, Bako Wako, Taco, Pablo, you name it. Yes, that's me, software engineer, YouTuber, blogger, etc, blah blah blah. I think I should just start the first vlog now. Yup. Kind of beginning to the usual vlog that I do, but and a very good morning guys from us to you. We're in Costa Brava right now. It's day number 2, day number 1 stuck because it was raining. Yeah.
But we still made the most of it.
But we still made the most of it, like Behzad said. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna get some food, some breakfast, and sunlight, bakery, and sunlight of course. Buy some slippers, and then we're gonna go explore. Because it's nice and sunny. So see you guys in a bit. How's breakfast, boys? Is that right? Yeah? Yep.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you.
Yo guys, we're at the beach. Mr. Pishwan, Mr. Bezat, and Mr. Bako, the one and only.
I don't like the second guy.
No, the second guy, you mean yourself. We got some ice cream. Actually, Mr. Pishwan over there got some ice cream. Got us some ice cream. And yeah, we're waiting for the rest of the gang. We've got beach volleyball, and yeah, the views are mad. The sun's out. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're drilling. And most importantly, we got music. I just want to say, yeah, good company is there. I just want to say I feel blessed, honestly, to be able to work and travel like this. It's a blessing, isn't that right, Mr. Bezat? It is one hell of a blessing. I hope that if you've if you've always wanted to travel, like me, if you always wanted to travel like me, then honestly, find yourself a job, sort your little plan out, and go traveling and explore the world. Because honestly, life is short, believe it or not, and the world is so beautiful, like he just said, and there's so many places to explore, like this place here, Costa Brava. No, not many people would have known. Most people would have gone to Madrid or Barcelona.
And there's ice cream.
And there's ice cream, yeah.
But
so
the small things in life.
But the small things in life, honestly. So if you're watching this, honestly, sort your plan out.
Not everything small is good.
Yeah. Find good company. Stick with positive people. Honestly, it's a blessing to be able to be here. No snakes allowed. So.
Presentation.
One guy.
And it was at this point in time that Bako realized he messed up, being right at the bottom of the pile and approximately 400 kg on top of me. That screaming is no screaming of fun. That screaming is, I'm going to possibly die. And I nearly did die. So after all of that, Pishwan decides to hit it down. Let's hope he does better in the next one. Some things clearly never change.
What are these sandals, bro? What are these sandals? What the fuck are these? 1, 2, come on, 3. He caught it! He caught it! He caught it! He wasn't even a hit! He caught it! Do you know what? How much we wanted to get buried for such a long time?
Well, I'm recording with both cameras now, boys.
Gonna get over.
I can't fit in this.
Yeah, bro, man, you gotta put it in.
Put your ass in there, yeah?
Get up now, get up.
No.
Hey, put this under your head.
Right, move.
Put your ass in there, innit? My ass,
you need the deepest point there, bro.
Yeah, lie down there. My G. The life of Bako with Mr. Pishwan, Mr. Kiz, and the rest of the mandem. So, oh, go this way. I'll make it right, yeah. I want to get some of these scenery anyway. Oh, okay. Swing!
Bro, you don't need enemies when you got friends like you, and these people out here don't know what you're like. I know, bro. I know what you're like.
Shots being fired.
Watch your back.
Shots being fired. And that's the end of this vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I did, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.